Hi everyone, this is S. Kiran Kumar of 2nd BComC from KCS Kasinala College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see the topic of Memorandum of Association in Company Law subject. First of all, we are going to see the meaning of Memorandum. The Memorandum of Association is a fundamental document of a company. This is one of the important documents to be submitted at the time of registration of a company. Memorandum is a document that governs the relationship between the company and the outside. It is a charter of a company and defines the scope of its activities. Next, definition of Memorandum of Association. According to section 2 subsection 56, memorandum means the memorandum of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company law or of this act. Next, contents of Memorandum of Association section 4. Memorandum of Association. First, name clause. Second, register office clause. Third, object clause. Fourth, limited liability clause. Fifth, capital clause. Sixth, association clause. The first, name clause. Section 4, subsection 1, subclause A. The memorandum of association of a company shall state the name of the company which the last word limited in the cases of public limited company or the last word private company in the cases of private limited company. Second, register office clause. Section 4, subsection 1, subclause B. The state in which the register office of a company will be situated is mentioned in this clause. The register office of the company is the official address of a company where the statutory book and records must normally be kept. Third, object clause. Section 4, subsection 1, subclause C. This is the most important clause in this memorandum because it is not only show the object for which the company is formed, but also determine the extent of the powers which the company can exercise to achieve the objects. Fourth, liability clause. Section 4, subsection 1, subclause D. The liability can require to state the extent to which the shareholders of a company are liable to the debt obligation of a company. In the event of the company dissolving, there are companies limited by shares and guarantee. Fifth, capital clause. Section 4, subsection 1, subclause E. The capital clause required to state the company's authorized share capital, the different categories of a shares and the nominal value, the minimum value per share of the shares. It is also required to list the company's assets under this clause. Last, association clause. Section 4, subsection 1. This clause shall contain the declaration of a subscribers. The subscribers declared that they decide to be formed into a company and agree to take the shares stated against the names. Thank you all.